Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to access Duolingo Math on Android, and this video going perfect to you because this video I'm going to show you how to explain step by step and exactly what to do. So firstly go to Google and search by Duolingo join beta, and this is exactly what you go and scroll down here and click on this link on read that. And when you click this link and click this beta, this link on read that, and don't worry, you can click read that post here and actually find this link and taking straight Duolingo website and can see Duolingo best program giving enrolled early access, new features, ability to provide feedback easily and check report features, and actually enroll this program and just click here say sign up, and this is you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon.